Hey everybody, this is the dashboard. As you can see, I'm not in the dashboard. I'm in dashboard alternate today. It's a rainy Saturday in Florida, so I decided to just go over to Amelia Island to the Amelia Cruisers event, check it out, and see if anybody actually shows up. Don't know if anybody will because it's kind of overcast and nasty looking. It's been raining. I had originally planned to go to the Good Sam car show in Orange Park this morning, but the weather was not ideal. I just, I didn't know if it was going to rain or if it wasn't going to rain. It looked nasty, so I didn't go. I kind of regret not going, but, you have to make choices. So, decided to go over and check this one out, see if we can get some content that way. It's usually a good show. There's usually, dozen and a half cars that come out. But anyway, I'm gonna go over here and see what we can see. Take some video. I'll show you what I get here in a little while.
Alright, there we go.
Alright, we just left the Amelia Cruisers monthly cruise in. It was a little thin today. I guess the weather kept everybody away. It was only about maybe a dozen cars, 6, 8, something like that. So, kind of a bit of a bust today, but the weather just ain't working out today. But at least tomorrow we've got the Yulee Cars and Coffee, so I should get plenty of content from that one. So that'll be nice. Didn't actually plan to have a car show today, last weekend, so I didn't really make any plans for today. And then I found a car show and then didn't go, and then Amelia Cruisers just kind of petered out today because it's just the weather's not good. And I don't blame them. I wouldn't want to drive a classic car out in this rain either. It's just not a good day. But anyway, we'll see what we see on the next one on tomorrow. So don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming your way. We're up to 117 subscribers, which is great. Would love to get to 500 soon. So don't forget to share it around to people. Anyway, that's going to do it for this video. Hope you have a good weekend. We're going to see what we see about the rest of this weekend. It may not be a good one, or it may be a good one. Don't know. We'll see. Stay tuned. Good morning, everybody. This is the dashboard. We're headed out to the Yulee Cars and Coffee monthly meetup. It's a wonderful Sunday morning. It's a little bit on the cloudy side, but there's no rain, so that's a bonus after yesterday. I like going to this meet. They meet up the third Sunday of every month, and should be a good. There's always a good turnout at this event, so this should be a really good one.
to see something.
There's always something different to see at this event. You never know what you're going to find at this event. And, you always see exotics, too, at this event, which just kind of blows my mind that there are, Maseratis and Lamborghinis and Ferraris and all that kind of stuff that show up in Nassau County. I mean, I guess I shouldn't be surprised with, it being close to Amelia Island and everything, but it is surprising when you roll up to a car show with all the muscle and classic cars and there sits a Ferrari or a Porsche. So, but anyway, this is going to be a good morning. We stopped off this morning on the way over to Yulee at Hilliard Donuts. Got to give them a shout out. They make some of the best donuts around in Nassau County. I ain't tried them all, but I do like Hilliard Donuts. So, if you're in Hilliard, stop by the donut shop in Hilliard. You won't regret it. Or if you're in Nassau County anywhere, you can stop by because they're pretty accessible. Anyway, just wanted to give them a little shout out because I love their donuts. So I'm gonna shoot some video at the show and we'll see what we see.
As soon as you left the lot, they were like, what was I going to say about the headlights again? Yeah.
I gotta open that house.
Yeah, what was that? How to run?
Yeah.
Okay.
Tomorrow, right?
Morning. You're fine.
Not your daddy one already. You get the ticket. Is that cool?
I'm down.
Sorry.
Well, I don't know where the heck my friend went with the camera.
But like around, like 12. Dad, I'm like, well, let me talk to her to let her know that what she's doing. Good idea.
Something different. I'm excited. Now I feel like really like.
Good job.
Hi. Excuse me.
The Everblades that took them out are in the Eastern Conference Championship. Let's go this way.
Sorry. I don't think I got the video on the other one. I think I got the pictures. So I'll do it again. Yeah. You just rolled right through my pictures.
Oh, the wing bounce, that's right. Yep, yep.
68, 9 more. 68 has the vent down first.
BMW?
No, I focused in on the McLaren.
Alright, we just left the Yulee Cars and Coffee May Meetup. There were less cars than usual out there today. Of course, it's a hot day. It cleared up nicely for the show today, so they missed out. But we did have several exotic cars out there today. We had some Maseratis. We had some a whole slingshot club came out. We had several members of our local Subaru community come out. And we even had an Aston Martin and a McLaren. And that McLaren was something else. We very rarely get to see a McLaren. So it was a special occasion. Anyway, it was getting hot, so we broke up early today. But it's the third Sunday of every month. We do it in Yulee at the behind the Sonic restaurant. There's a big open parking lot that nobody ever uses, so we kind of do a little bit of a takeover for 2 hours, and then we leave. It's usually a really good crowd. We don't usually have the loud music and the street takeover atmosphere and all that stuff. It's just, we come out and look at cars and then we leave. That's it. So it's really a nice atmosphere at the event. So if you're in the Nassau County area or in Jacksonville and you want to come out to a Sunday car show, remember it's the third Sunday of the month, every month. And we do it from 11 to 1. Of course, like I said, we left a little early today, but anyway, so that's gonna cap off my weekend. So, like I said, yesterday was a little bit of a bust. There wasn't very many people showed up. Of course, that was because it was rainy. But like I said, it turned out beautiful today. So anyway, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. I'm changing up some things on the channel, so let me know if you like that. Nobody really comments on my videos whether they like what I'm doing or not, so, anyway, so, like I said, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share, and these videos keep coming at you. So stay tuned.